The potential of fintech is pretty exciting. Even after the growth of the cashless payment space in recent years, the majority of payment transactions around the world are still done in cash. And even though online banking institutions offer interest rates and fee structures that are typically much better than those of traditional banks, the majority of consumers still use branch-based banking for their financial needs. And as the financial space evolves, the potential to invest in the companies involved become more attractive. So here are the top 10 fintech companies we think are worth investing in 2021. Coming in at number 10, Mercado Libre. Mercado Libre can be compared to Amazon.com, but of Latin America. The company has a massive e-commerce business that continues to grow at an impressive pace. However, it's their payment platform that is the most exciting from a fintech perspective. The business processes billions of dollars in payment volume every quarter, and it's growing rapidly. Most encouraging is that Mercado Pago is growing faster when it comes to processing payments that are outside their e-commerce platform, as they have partnered with PayPal and a lot of other Latin America payment spaces, meaning Mercado Pago's growth could be just getting started. Coming in at number 9, we have Green Dot. Green Dot is one of the oldest fintech companies in the market, best known for pioneering the prepaid debit card 2 decades ago. The company's debit card business remains a large one, but it's losing market share to companies like Square and PayPal, which offer new and innovative solutions to the same problem. So, Green Dot has started to try capitalize on its key advantage, its banking charter, with moves like introducing a savings account and appointing a highly experienced CEO to head up the banking efforts. It is also worth keeping Green Dot on your radar for its banking-as-a-service platform. Green Dot lets companies offer banking products without having to become banks themselves. Think of Apple Pay Cash. Green Dot essentially lets these companies use its banking infrastructure to power their products, and this could be a major growth industry in the future. Coming in at number 8, PayPal Holdings Incorporated. PayPal is a California-based online payments platform and operates in a majority of countries that accept internet-based money transfers. PayPal went public in 2002 and was later purchased by e-commerce giant eBay. In 2014, eBay made PayPal a separately traded company. PayPal serves as an electronic alternate to checks, money orders, and cash. It is worth mentioning that PayPal has partnerships with many major companies around the world, including Abercrombie & Fitch, Uber Technologies, Accenture, and Walmart. PayPal announced that it had launched a new feature that would allow users to check out with cryptocurrency. The move has been predicted by global investment banking firm Evercore earlier this year, which said that PayPal was positioning itself for the arrival of a central digital currency. Coming in at number 7, Stripe. Stripe is a San Francisco-based software company that offers companies of all different sizes the ability to accept digital payments. The company develops payment processing mechanisms for websites and mobile applications of business. The company also develops tools that block fraudulent transactions in order to provide businesses with a layer of security when handling payments. Stripe sometimes offers loans and credit cards to businesses as well. Stripe does business with leading firms in the world including Amazon.com, Slack Technologies, and DoorDash. The company announced that it had raised more than $600 million in its latest fundraising. The announcement increased the valuation of the startup to $95 billion, nearly tripling from what it was at this time last year. It also made Stripe the most valuable US-based startup. The company said it would invest money in the European operations, especially at the office of the company in Irish capital, Dublin. Coming in at number 6, Lemonade Incorporated. Lemonade is a New York-based insurance firm created in 2015. The company offers different types of insurance to its customers. It uses artificial intelligence and chatbots to process claims, something that makes it unique in the traditional insurance industry. It also holds the world record processing an insurance claim in the quickest time of 3 seconds. The firm is operating in 28 US states and keeps 25% of the customer's premium and uses the rest to pay the claims. Lemonade has a market cap of over $5.4 billion and posted a revenue of close to $100 million in December 2020. Equity research firm Oppenheimer & Co. earlier in March upgraded Lemonade stock to overperform as new products of the firm started to gain traction, saying the company was expected to launch an auto product that would be worth $500 million. Coming in at the halfway mark, Square. Over the past several years, Square's products have evolved from a way for merchants to accept credit cards using their mobile phones into a large-scale small business and individual financial ecosystem. The company now processes card payments at an annualized rate of over 100 billion. It has a thriving small business lending platform, Square Capital, and it has started to gain serious traction with larger merchants in addition to its core small business clientele. Two big parts of Square's business are especially exciting. First is its Cash App, with an active user base that has doubled year over year and virtually unlimited potential to build out its customers' financial service offerings. Second is Square Online Store, the new but rapidly growing platform that helps Square merchants build out an omni-channel presence. It also facilitates curbside pickup, where it could be a major growth catalyst in the post-COVID world. In fourth position is Ripple. Ripple is a currency exchange and remittance network founded in 2005. It was released in 2012 and is built on an open source platform that supports fiat currency, cryptocurrency, and other commodities to support free, instant, and secure financial transactions around the world. It has a network that spans over 300 providers in more than 40 countries spread across 6 continents. Stock for American money transfer company MoneyGram internationally dropped by more than 7.1% last month after it parted ways with Ripple Labs, the creator of Ripple Network. Ripple said that the two companies would revisit their relationship in the future. In 2019, when the partnership had first been made public, the shares of the American money transfer firm had climbed to new heights. Number 3. Wise. Wise was formerly known as TransferWise and is a London-based financial technology firm that was founded in 2011. Earlier this year, the company changed its name to Wise from TransferWise to reflect a changing business priority that had up until then focused on international money transfers. The company is planning to go public later this year and has appointed investment firms Goldman Sachs and Morgan Stanley as joint partners in this endeavor. The firm has been valued at $5 billion by private investors. So far, the company has raised more than $1 billion in funding. As the leading international money transfer choice, it moves more than $5 billion every month. The company offers users the ability to move funds from one bank to another on low-rate exchanges. It also lets users make an account that holds, accepts, and moves money in many different international currencies. It has also launched its own debit card to go along with the account. Number 2. Coinbase. Coinbase is a cryptocurrency exchange platform with a virtual presence only. The company was founded in 2012 and is the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the US in terms of the volume of crypto going through its exchange. The company announced a Visa debit card program in October 2020 and also purchased digital asset trading firm Tagomi for an undisclosed amount. Earlier this year, Coinbase Global, the parent firm of Coinbase, filed for an initial public offering in the US. Coinbase has more than 43 million verified users, with at least 2.8 million of them using the platform monthly. The firm posted a profit of $322 million in 2020. The fortunes of the currency remain tied to the ups and downs of cryptocurrency Bitcoin. In 2019, when Bitcoin prices were falling, the company registered $30 million in losses. In 2020, as Bitcoin rallied, the company posted a revenue of more than $1.3 billion. Coming in at number 1 spot, Monzo. Monzo is a London-based online-only bank that was founded in 2015. It was one of the earliest digital-only banks on the European continent. It operated for at least 2 years on a mobile account and a prepaid card, but the UK government eventually allowed it to offer customers current accounts as well. More than 4 million people in the UK have used the services of the bank since it began offering banking services. According to Business Insider, the new current account offerings have improved the future outlook of Monzo, as more than 130,000 people signed up to obtain the service since late last year. These account holders only represent 2.7% of the total customers of the bank, suggesting a path forward for growth. The company has so far raised $356 million in funding and has about 250 to 500 employees currently working for it. That wraps up the top 10 best fintech stocks that you could invest in 2021. But please note, we are not financial advisors and these are our opinions and are purely for interest's sakes. Have you invested in any of these fintech companies? Which companies do you think we have missed? Please let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, please hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.